Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from Interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with Bank of New Zealand. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now with news that markets overnight were broadly flat to slightly lower on disappointment about the failure of Merkel and Sarkozy, the French and German leaders, to come up with a deal for common eurobonds. More uncertainty on markets saw gold rise to a record high of almost $1,800 an ounce. Most US stocks were down, partly because Dell saw its shares fall 10%, very disappointing figures there, and two Federal Reserve officials came out with more detail on why they dissented over the decision last week. There is concern growing that the stimulus plan, talk of a QE3, may not happen as dissent grows within the Federal Reserve. Also, the Swiss National Bank disappointed some. It has dropped talk of a peg to its currency. The Franc rose a bit. It will continue to pump liquidity into the market. Meanwhile, protests are growing in India against corruption. Some people are talking about India's own Arab Spring. And overall, the New Zealand dollar firmed just over 84 US cents overnight before falling back as the markets eased off to below 84 US cents. The Comfort Group, they make Sleepyhead beds, say they will close the Dunlop Living factory in Avondale. There are 438 people working there. They partly blame the high dollar. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was 90 at 9, brought to you in association with Bank of New Zealand.